Oh. Good morning from the marina. This is the staff boat that's going to take us to the island. It's about an hour's drive. It's pretty windy today, and so we're probably going to have a pretty choppy ride. It is rainy season. Well, apparently North Island doesn't get that much rain, so whether we'll see any rain there while I'm there, we'll find out. But this boat's going to be leaving in about 10 minutes. Next stop, North Island. Dock here, so we have to take this little tiny boat in.
My name is Jude. I will be your chauffeur from boat to beach. And when you get this time, slowly but surely, it is about on the island. Allô, monsieur Damien.
Welcome to North Island. And I have no idea what's going to go on now, but I'm assuming someone will come and meet. So every bag goes through a rat check. They've eradicated rats from the island, so we come into this isolated room and check through our bags and make sure there's no room. And that way they keep the island rat free, and every piece of luggage, food, and anything that comes to the island has to come through this room. Welcome to West Beach. It's about 5:30. The sun sets about 6 here. 6:08 apparently is the official sunset. I've just come out, did a quick little jog from my staff house. It's about 2K to get down to the beach, and here's where I'm at. That's Silhouette Island over there, and come have a look at this. So these are turtle nests. So this is a green turtle nest. Everywhere where there's a nest, there's a coconut attached to it. And about 55 days after the turtle's nest, and that's usually when they hatch. So hopefully in the month that I'm here, we'll get some turtle hatches going. There's green turtles as well as hawksbill turtles. And so hopefully we'll get to see some of those. I guess the green turtles now are on their decline, for they're heading back out. And it's becoming the season for the hawksbill turtle. So I'm not sure what nests are actually here since I just got here, or what's gonna hatch, but hopefully we'll get some baby turtles going. So tomorrow the real work starts. We walk the beaches in the morning. I'll give you guys a better layout of the island. So this is North Island. This is where we came in, right by the dive center here. This is East Beach. So there's 11 villas that go along East Beach, and the fancy villa, Villa 11, is over here. This is the staff beach, and the helipad is there. This is where the chopper lands for the guests. And over here is West Beach. This is Honeymoon Beach here. This is all West Beach. Sunset Bar, there's a bar all the way over on this side. We got Three Peaks, Spa Hill here, Palos, Grand Palos here, and I don't even know what this one is. This one's the biggest, 180 meters. And our little abode is right here. So this is where I'm staying. And this is where all the main activity happens for the workers. There's the office here, the staff kitchen and staff housing is right over here. And basically what we do is in the mornings we walk along the beach and check for any turtle tracks. So see if they have laid any nests along the beach, and pick up any trash. And that's our basic chores in the morning. As long as none of the guests are around, then we can come down to the beach and have a look-see, as long as we're not interrupting any of the guests, since they're paying such a high fee. But it doesn't look like there's anybody around right now. I'm gonna check out the whatever sunset there is with the clouds. I'm sure over the next 30 days we'll have some clear days and get some wicked sunsets. So I look forward to that. All right, so that's the basic layout of the island and some of the jobs that I'm going to be doing. The real work starts tomorrow when with the beach patrol first thing in the morning, and then we'll see what other tasks we get up to over the course of the day. But otherwise, yeah, the next 30 days here in paradise, there should be some pretty exciting opportunities. So, all right guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.